our spring is coming, although if you've been paying attention, today is really the first day of an average high of 60, but we already had 21 days over 60 across the state here in the month of March. So we've really had spring for a long time. We've also had some snow mixed in there, some below zero temps. So the temperatures have been kind of all over the place, which is becoming the norm for us here in Nebraska. What that does for some of our plants is cause them to germinate early. And so you'll see that, especially with our spring bulbs, our daffodils, our crocus, our hyacinths, some of those have come up early, and you may notice that they've died back or they have some brown tips. Maybe some of the other plants, you'll notice some early flowering and some dying back. So we want to just let those sit right now. We don't want to do any pruning. We don't want to do any removals. Just be patient with those. If you're worried about certain plants, for instance, like rhubarb maybe coming up, I go ahead and mulch those lightly, make sure things have gotten some water, it's been dry. So lightly mulch certain plants if you're worried about them, water things, make sure that they're nice and moist, and avoid pruning at this time.